Good evening, guys. Welcome to another market update. And again, what a disappointing day today. Market is trying to move up and giving us hope, and then it is coming down. It is inducing FOMO, and a lot of people are getting trapped up and down, and then there's no clarity. So we will today will try to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty, and that is the market close for a weekend. So we'll try to analyze a few of the sectors. How is it shaping up? I cannot analyze each and every sector in depth because it's going to take a lot of time, and the video length will be very high, and obviously all of you will be getting bored. I know all of you doesn't want to listen to somebody talking in depth about all this gibberish, so I'll try to make it sweet and short. Coming back to Nifty, what is happening in Nifty? I told you in my previous video, I told you if you're an aggressive trader, you have to at least wait for 24,500 to cross and then close. And if you are a very conservative trader, 25,200 is your level, but it's not crossed. It came almost very close, and with the US election, Trump winning the US election, it came very close and gave a impression that it is going to break out, but unfortunately it didn't break out. So if you look at the larger picture, what is happening right now in Nifty, it just came all the way down, and it is trading right now below 50 DMA, and it has been spending a lot of time here below 50 DMA, which is not a nice sign, which shows that there is a lot of weakness in the market, and it is a sell on rise market. But right now, if you see, what is happening is came down all the way. It took support. We can say as of now it took support at 23 8 900 850 level, and it is not completely violated yet, and it is spending time there. It is consolidating and forming a base. Now we need to see what is happening. Now the price action becomes very important. What could happen is that it can spend some more time here. That will be time correction. It might, I don't know, maybe another week or something like that. It'll spend time here, and one scenario is it breaks down. It can take support at this channel bottom, and there is another support also, that is 23,300 level, and then probably consolidate here, form another base and go up, or again go down up to this level. If this is broken, then not much of a support here. So if this is broken, then that means there is that one major support, and then trend line is also support is also broken. So it could make things worse. It can take Nifty all the way back to here, because I don't see much of a support in this area. So you have to be really careful. If this is taken, we can at least assume that it will take support here. If this is taken, it's time to be very, very cautious. So this is right now what is happening in Nifty, and similar pattern is across all the most of the sectors. And we quickly jump to Bank Nifty. What is happening there? So Bank Nifty, similar pattern, forming a base after breaking down, but compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is showing little bit of resilience, and it is fighting for its life, it seems. So we'll have to wait for clarity. If it is breaking out, then it is good. Let it break out, come back and retest and go up, then it is good. But again, there is a big resistance here. It can take a resistance there, come down. There is no guarantee, but if this is broken 52,600, that will be a good sign. Similarly in Nifty, I think I forgot to mention that even if it is breaking out, it could take resistance here. That is why 25,200 should be broken for conservative traders, safe traders. So what happens is that many a times it just break and give a false sense of reversal, and from here and maybe another big fall can also happen. That is why if it breaks and close about 2500, preferably a weekly close, then we can at least assume that it is a trend reversal. So till that time, you need to be really careful. And moving to we'll go and check what is happening in mid cap 150. There is mid cap 150, 250, and even mid cap small cap 400 index. So but everything is kind of very similar, so I'm not going deep into each and everything. It'll be boring for you also. Similarly here also, same things apply, forming a base. we need to make sure this level is taken out. 21 21k, yeah, it is 21. No, no, 21 480, yeah, 21 480, 21 500 level should be broken, or else it has to be in this channel. It was trading in a channel for some time, so I'll be comfortable. It will come all the way from here to is it to 1 second, let me get the tool. Path tool, yeah. So it has to be like this. I'll be more comfortable if it is back in the channel. Then we can safely assume it could go all the way here. Till that time you need to be cautious. So these are the few points you need to keep in your mind before initiating big trades. Lot of stocks are setting up well, and my fingers are really itching for a good trade. I just wanted to punch in some orders. So in order to satiate that hunger of mine, what I'm doing is that I'm building very small position. And many a times I feel that I missed it. I should have built a big position, because many of my stocks which I built position during this market fall, it is fetching me 12 13 14 percentage and all. So I feel that I should have scaled in more, but again, it is a FOMO inducing market. So like I told you, don't fall for FOMO. Keep your FOMO under check. We will get a lot of opportunity. Let the market be stable. Only flip side is we'll be missing out 10 to 15 percentage rally in stocks, or maybe 5 to 6% rally in index, but that is fine, very fine. So don't think too much about it. And we will move to Nifty small cap. What is happening? Small cap, I made a big analysis, and it is kind of working as of now. Don't get alarmed by all those things, okay? I forgot to remove it. I made an analysis and I made a video also, so it's part of that video. It's again, it is a support zone. It is trying to reverse and forming a base. Let it cross, at least cross and close this 50 DMA. So mid cap 250 doesn't look that weak. It is okay. It is not so weak. It is again forming a base here. And you need to, when the index is forming a base, and when it is consolidating in a range, you need to watch out which direction it is going. So in that direction you need to catch the trade, okay? So quickly let's move to metals. What is happening in metal sector is one sector which I really like. Metal sector was setting up really well. It just formed a cup and handle and just broke out. I got some trade in this move, okay, but I never expected this big fall. So most of my gains are gone, but that's okay. Again, it is setting up again, and it is forming, it is contracting right below 50 DMA. It is good. It's showing a little bit of strength. And again, you can see a base. I'm a big fan of this base theory, this Davos box. I just love it. You should try reading more about Davos box and all. Yeah, it is forming a base again here. So watch out for the direction. Which direction? It tried to break out actually, but it just it came down again. It came down below 50 DMA. It closed above 50 DMA once, and it just came down below. So that's what is it showing, guys? What do you think? What is happening right now? I'll just give I'll pause for 2 to 3 seconds for you guys to think what is happening. Yeah, it's clear. It is clear that the market makers are not allowing market to move up. The moment it is moving up, it is getting beaten down. So it is a sell on rise market clearly as of now. So that's what I told you. It's time to be very cautious. We'll quickly move to PSU Bank. Many people were asking me about PSU Bank. PSU Bank, this was a very good candle. Okay, this price rejection from here, pin bar kind of a candle, and it closed above 50 DMA. It was a very good sign. It just moved, and it is resilient. It is not very bad, okay? There are a lot of good stocks setting up. I'll try to find some good stocks and I'll share the list. As of now, this is good, but this is one area you need to watch out. 7100 area, you need to cross this and close it, because there's structurally a lot of damage was happened to this sector. So it needs time to repair. And we'll quickly move to realty sector is really looking bearish. It's not good. It just today's price action also bad, and then this RS is also very bad, and it is forming a very big base. This is one big base, and it is consolidating here. And if you see, the price action doesn't look so good. If it is breaking down this point, it is really bad for realty sector. It could go up till here, and take support here. And if it is breaking down, then very high chance it will come all the way down here. So realty sector as of now, very very bearish. So you don't have to look for any long opportunities in this sector, any stocks which falls under this sector. Pharma, it is showing some resilience. It has been consolidating, and this is a base, and it just broke down from the base, but it's taking support at this level. Support is not broken. So worst case scenario, it can come all the way to 21,500, but I don't think it will come down. Some pharma sector stocks are showing strength, and a lot of buying are seen. So this is one sector you need to watch out. Next is finance. Finance is also showing some strength. It is fighting the fall. From similar to Nifty, Bank Nifty, everything across all the sector, you can see almost the same pattern. It's just consolidating, and we are not seeing any big fall. So watch out, like I told you, watch out which direction this is breaking out. If it's breaking up, then look for long opportunities in this sector. If it is breaking down, you need to be cautious and see where it is settling. Stock my index, I don't know why I'm just confusing it with index and stock. It's index. So index, it can come all the way down here, and if it is settling here and going up, well and good. And if it is breaking down, I don't have to tell you what to do. Auto looks really bad. It just fall out of channel, and there's a support zone here, fell out of that support zone and taking support here. I don't know what's gonna happen. If market is not really good, and then the quarterly results are not promising, what could happen is that this might happen. Okay, this might happen. Most of the stocks are kind of beaten down, so this is one possibility. Let's see if it is breaking out of this box and sustaining here, and then moving above 50 dma and closing somewhere here. So I won't initiate any trade until and unless it grows and stop here. Flip side, as I always told you, flip side is I'm going to miss this 12% rally, but that's okay. I'm absolutely fine with that. If you have FOMO, buy small quantity. Don't bet big. I have in my X, couple of people were DMing me, texting me. They were asking what to do. We bought 1500 quantities of this stock, and I have huge quantities of Cochin shipyard at 2500, and I'm holding it. And huge quantity, and if you're not managing your risk, is a recipe for disaster. So that's something which you need to have a discipline, have a control over your emotions. We'll quickly move to total market. Nifty 500 same. I don't have to tell you again. I don't want to repeat the same thing again and again. Similar pattern. Metal we already discussed. Yeah, so that is for the sector analysis. And then in my X I posted that if anybody wants some any sector to be analyzed or some specific stock to be analyzed, you can text me or you can just comment. So few of our users asked for analysis, and initially I was trying to post it as charts itself in the comment, but a lot of people were even DMing me. So I thought I'll just make a quick video in different parts. Okay, just it'll be coming in 2-3 parts, several stocks. So if you want in-depth analysis of that stock, I'll be coming up with the video very soon, so stay tuned. So today's market update is, we will just winding up today's market update, and let's hope for the best. Let's see what is going to happen on Monday. So see you guys on Monday. Take care, have a nice weekend, take care of your health, take care of your family, stay happy, and don't worry too much about market. Everything will fall in place. Take care guys.